Alright, so right here, I'm about to show y'all how to cut out an object or a person. So first what you do is you click the pen tool, and then whatever you're trying to cut out, you just start by clicking on the thing that you're cutting out. And then it should and then you click again and it should make a line. And that line on the inside of the line that you just cut is what's it's gonna show after you get done cutting it out. So after you get done cutting it out, then you're gonna be able to move it around. You're gonna be able to edit the picture behind it, but you just gotta do the right things to be able to edit the picture behind it. But we gonna get to that later in the video, though. You feel me? All right, so right here, I'm just curving it. See what you do is you click on it and hold it. Do not click off of it. You hold it, and then you try to spin it around until you find the perfect spot. That'll let it curve around perfectly. And then right here, I'm just doing it again, but this time it failed kind of. I missed part of the dress, but I'm gonna keep clicking, and then on the inside of it, whatever's on the inside, it's just whatever's on the inside. That's what you're gonna cut out. Right here, I'm gonna curve it around the hat. Right now, I curve it around the hat, you know what I'm saying? It's not as perfect as I did the foot. The foot was really perfect. I ain't gonna brag. I'm too good at this. But, and then I curve it again. And as soon as I reach the next point, as soon as I reach the last point, that's when I'm gonna be able to move it around. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm available to move it around. So what I do next? Now I'm able to move it around. So what I do next? Just move it, you know what I'm saying, just to show you that I can. Now what I do is delete the background. See, I can still move it. It's not a part of the background no more. So I make a next layer. Put the gradient just to show you that I can do a background, an extra background, but this time it's not a real background though. It's just something that'll show up behind the dog that I just cut out. So right now I'm doing a gradient. It fails because I didn't have layer 1 over layer 2. I'm supposed to do that, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I can do right now. And hope y'all learned something good. See y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.